Hello my dear children, welcome to my channel Sudhir Sir Chemistry. But now the another LAQ of this second year chemistry, that means in organic part I want to discuss with you. And this organic part which one I am going to discuss, this thing is given beta. Write the following name reaction. You can see beta. Write the following name reaction with one example of each. Actually this kind of the name reaction beta in organic chemistry, most of the LAQ part we are getting the name reactions only. Write the following methods or write the following name reaction with one example each. First one which one I am going to discuss now, Williamson synthesis. And maybe in your Telugu Academy textbook beta, one more will be given called as a Raymer-Tamer reactions. And one more is there beta carbylamine reactions. And one more is there Kolbe reaction. So all these one, either it is a Williamson, Raymer-Tamer, or it is a carbylamine, or it is a Kolbe. These all the four reactions today we are going to discuss in the class in simple way. But whenever they will ask the Williamson synthesis, think that they are asking you to prepare ether. So what is the ether? We don't know. Don't worry, beta. Williamson synthesis ka short form I will write you. This is a RX. But this is a RX, right? This is a sodium or alkoxide. I will say it is a RONA. Can we write beta? NaO and R. Right? What happened? You know, this X and Na goes off beta. X and Na goes off. What is left with you? ROR. So I got ROR. Remaining is what? NaX. But this is a simple way I wrote. Whenever they are asking Williamson synthesis, in your mind what you should get? RX. But what is the RX? Do you know? This RX is called as a alkyl halide. This RX is called as a alkyl halide. RONA called as a sodium alco oxide. Called as a sodium alco oxide. Right, beta? And these sodium alco oxide react with alkyl halide. It gives ROR. What is this, beta? ROR called as a ether. Means they ask write the following name reaction with one example. This is the reaction which we wrote, beta. Just write down the statement. How to write the statement? When RX react with RONA, means alkyl halide react with sodium alco oxide. See, I am writing here. When alkyl halide means RX react means plus with RONA sodium alco oxide, but when it react with sodium alco oxide, it gives what, sir? Yes sir, it gives ether. This is a Williamson synthesis. Sir, they are asking to get one example, but any one example which one you will like. Example, see what I will do. In place of this R, I want to put CH3. But in place of this Cl, I want to put iodine. Your wish, you can put Cl also. Plus Na as it is, O as it is. But in place of this R, I want to put C2H5. What is CH3? I call as a methyl iodide. It is called as a what, beta? Methyl iodide. What is the C2H5? ONA called as a, sir, it is a ethyl beta, and it is a ONA called as a sodium etho oxide. This is called as a sodium etho oxide. See beta, these iodine will take out Na. Means your NaI as a byproduct came. We don't want. What we want? CH3O C2H5. Sir, this is the ether I got. CH3O C2H5 is a ether I got. What is the name of this ether? You know, beta? Yes, sir. Methoxyethane. Sir, can you write the reaction? Yes. When methyl iodide, when methyl iodide reacts with sodium etho oxide, react with sodium etho oxide, it gives methoxyethane, that is ROR. Is it clear, beta? If you write this one, you will get 2 marks. You will think that, sir, for writing this much, all the thing we are getting 2 marks, it's a very, very difficult. But it's a very simple. See here, Williamson synthesis, if they are asking in your mind what you should get, you are going to prepare the ether. By the formula ether, ROR. How to prepare, beta? RX called as a alkyl halide plus NaOR, that is sodium alkoxide, But in that one, take out Na and X. What is left with you? ROR, ether and NaX. Statement: when alkyl halide reacts with sodium alkoxide, it gives rise to ether. But here, in place of R CH3, X may iodine. In place of R, put the C2H5. What is the name? Methyl iodide. What is the name? Sodium ethoxide. But Na you take out. Left part is CH3O C2H5 called as a methoxyethane, called as a ether. When methyl iodide reacts with sodium ethoxide, it gives methoxyethane. Is it clear, beta? Once again, see here, it's a Williamson synthesis. But now second part is that write the following named reaction with one example of each. Actually 4 are there, I told you. The first one is a just now we saw Williamson. Second one is that beta Colby Raymer-Tamer, which I am going to discuss. Third one is a carbylamine, and one more fourth one is a Colby. If you write these 4, we'll get the 8 marks. So first over, second Raymer-Tamer. But whenever Raymer-Tamer reaction is coming, think that we are going to prepare a salicylaldehyde, and that is we are going to prepare from phenol. So Raymer-Tamer mein what you should remember? Sir, you should remember this compound. Benzene ring having OH group called as a what? Phenol. But it is reacting with what? CHCl3. So CHCl3 called as a what? Chloroform. But a reaction will take place in basic medium. What is the basic medium? NaOH called as a what? Sodium hydroxide. Right? Now it gives rise to what? Same thing, beta. Benzene ring is there. OH where it is same, the OH is there. At this position put the CHO. Called as a what, beta? Aldehyde group. Remaining is byproduct, sir. What is the byproduct, beta? Salt. That is a NaCl, and H2O. That is a water. But this compound is called as a salicylaldehyde. CYLDEHYDE. Salicylaldehyde. Or we can say, beta, it is also called as a orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. Or it is also called as a what, you know? Orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. Means how to write the statement. But when phenol react with chloroform in presence of NaOH. See, I am writing here. When phenol reacts with chloroform, in presence of NaOH, but it gives salicylaldehyde. CYLALDEHYDE. Salicylaldehyde. Or we can say it is also called as a O dash, means orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. Right, beta? It is another reaction for the 2 marks. So first one, what we wrote, beta? We wrote Williamson synthesis. How we wrote Williamson synthesis? Rx plus NaOR, it gives rise to ROR plus NaX. What is the Rx called, beta? Alkyl halide. What is the NaOR called as a sodium alkoxide? What is the ROR called as a ether? Means when alkyl halide react with sodium alkoxide, it gives rise to ether. Example, beta, in place of Rx we wrote CH3I. In place of NaOR we wrote, beta, that is NaOC2H5. Beta, what is the ether we got? CH3OC2H5 called as a methoxyethane. Statement: when methyl iodide react with a sodium alkoxide, that is a sodium ethoxide, it gives rise to methoxyethane. Second one, beta, this is a Raymer-Tamer reactions. Means Raymer-Tamer reaction is a reaction used to prepare what? Orthohydroxybenzaldehyde called as a salicylaldehyde from phenol. So benzene ring bearing OH group called as a phenol, but it reacting with chloroform in presence of NaOH. What it gives? Salicylaldehyde called as a orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. Remaining is NaCl and water. But if you want to balance it, 3 chlorine, put the 3 Na, take out the 3 NaCl. Hydrogen, see, beta, here 3 is there and one more hydrogen is there. How many hydrogens we are having, beta, here? 4. To make it 2 more. Hydrogen also 4 here. But in chloroform, the CH3 which one we took here, that should be only 1 mole. and it gives rise to salicylaldehyde. Very simple way beta. Phenol plus chloroform in presence of NaOH, it gives rise to salicylaldehyde called orthohydroxybenzaldehyde and NaCl. Take a screenshot of this one beta. But what we saw in the first method, that is a Williamson synthesis, that is a preparation of what we can say ether. Rx plus NaOR gives rise to ROR plus NaX. Second one beta Ramer-Taymer reaction, that is the preparation of orthohydroxybenzaldehyde or called as a salicylaldehyde, and it can be prepared from what? Phenol. Phenol plus chloroform in presence of NaOH on heating gives rise to salicylaldehyde, NaCl and water as a byproduct. Right beta? Chalo, third one we will see now preparation, that is a named method called as a carbyl-amine reactions. But one more is there called as a carbyl-amine reactions and one more is a Kolbe. If you write all the four name reactions beta, definitely we will get the 8 marks. So now the third one I will go with a carbyl-amine reactions. But carbyl-amine reactions. But in these carbyl-amine reactions, what we are going to prepare? Sir, we are going to prepare, or it is also called as an isocyanate test. Means we can say, sir, it is a primary aromatic amine can give rise to this isocyanate test. For this one, carbyl-amine reaction, what we require here, beta? We require here as a aniline. This is called as a benzene ring, Ba ring, NH2 group. This is called as a what beta? Aniline. And these aniline on combining or reacting with a, again chloroform. Same beta, previous reaction what we did for the Ramer-Taymer, same thing we are doing here. This is called as a chloroform. And there we used NaOH and here we are using here as a KOH. So chloroform in presence of basic medium, right? However, this is an alcoholic KOH should be there. But when they combine together, what it gives rise to Cl. It is having aniline here, right beta? So in place of NH2, I will get here as a NC. The benzene ring bearing NC group called as a what you know? This is called as a phenyl isocyanide. Called as a what beta? Phenyl isocyanide. So remaining is the byproduct. What is that? Salt of K and water molecule. Make it 3 moles. Make it 3 moles. 3 came out. Hydrogen how many? 3 plus 1 4. Make it 2 moles and we got phenyl isocyanide. But how to write the reactions here? When aniline react with chloroform in presence of alcoholic KOH, it gives a foul smelling compound. This compound how it is, you know? It is a foul smelling compound. So statement when aniline reacts with chloroform, but aniline reacts with chloroform in presence of alcoholic KOH, but it gives phenyl isocyanide, that is a foul smelling compound. So once again, till now we did 3 beta. The first one is the Williamson synthesis, preparation of ether, ROR. Second one is Ramer-Taymer reaction, preparation of we can say orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. Third one beta here carbyl-amine reactions, that is the preparation of phenyl isocyanide. So once again, in Williamson synthesis we took Rx plus NaOR. Beta in Ramer-Taymer mein what we took? Phenol plus chloroform plus NaOH. And in carbyl-amine mein we took beta aniline, benzene ring bearing NH2 group called as a aniline plus chloroform plus KOH. Beta in this one Williamson mein what we did? Rx plus NaOR gives rise to ROR plus NaX. In Ramer-Taymer mein what we did beta? Phenol plus chloroform plus NaOH, it gives rise to benzene ring bearing OH group and CH2 is at the ortho position, orthohydroxybenzaldehyde, right beta, called as a salicylaldehyde. Remaining is byproduct NaCl and water. And in this carbyl-amine what we took beta? Aniline plus chloroform plus KOH, that is alcoholic KOH. It gives phenyl isocyanate, benzene ring bearing NC group, remaining KCl and water molecule. Right, beta? And the last one is, that is the name reaction called as a Kolbe reaction. Over, beta, these three over. And now our last reaction I am going to discuss Kolbe reactions. But with this method, Kolbe's reaction mein what we are going to prepare, chalo I will discuss with you. The fourth one, that is the last one, called as a Kolbe's reaction. But with the help of these reactions, we are going to prepare called as a salicylic acid, and that can be obtained from, that is a sodium phenoxide. So Kolbe reaction mein I took here as a benzene ring bearing ONA, but it is called as a sodium phenoxide. But this sodium phenoxide reacting with the CO2, carbon dioxide, and on reacting with the CO2 at a temperature of 125 degrees centigrade to 125 degrees centigrade to 4 to 6 atmospheric pressure, and this sodium phenoxide converted into what is that? Beta ONA become OH, and ortho position mein I will get COH. It is called as a ortho hydroxybenzoic acid. Beta ortho hydroxybenzoic acid. It is also called as a salicylic acid. Called as a what, beta? Salicylic acid. Statement outright. When sodium phenoxide is heated with a carbon dioxide at a temperature of 125 degrees centigrade and 4 to 6 atmospheric pressure, it forms salicylic acid or orthohydroxybenzoic acid. Statement, beta. When sodium phenoxide, but at last I will give the trick for you, all the thing what we wrote here. When sodium phenoxide reacts with the carbon dioxide, it gives salicylic acid. See, beta, till now we did the 4 methods or 4 name reactions. All these 4 name reactions I want to show you in one small chart, because in IP point of view we should remember the name and we should remember the product and reactant, right? Chalo, I will take out now this one. But what are the 4 we have seen? See here, that is a small chart I will give for you. The first one, which one we have seen? Williamson synthesis. See, beta, first one is Williamson synthesis. Second one we have seen RTR, Remer-Tamer reactions. Right, beta? Third one we have seen carbyl-amine reactions. And last one we have seen, sir, Kolbe's reactions. See, beta, Williamson mein you are going to prepare ether. But RTR mein you are going to prepare a orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. But in carbyl-amine mein you are going to prepare phenyl isocyanate. It is a way to remember. And in Kolbe mein you are going to prepare a orthohydroxybenzoic acid. Are you able to remember, beta, this name? This name only you have to remember. See, in Williamson synthesis we are going to prepare ether. In RTR, Remer-Tamer mein we are going to prepare, beta, orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. In carbyl-amine we are going to prepare phenyl isocyanate, and in Kolbe we are going to prepare orthohydroxybenzoic acid. Now question is that how we got ROR? Sir, Rx plus NaOR gives rise to ether. But RTR mein what you took? Sir, we took here as a phenol plus CHCl3 plus NaOH, it gives rise to this one. But carbyl-amine mein, sir, we took the aniline, yes, plus CHCl3 plus KOH, alcoholic KOH, it gives rise to phenyl isocyanide. Alcoholic KOH, it gives rise to, beta, phenyl isocyanide. And Kolbe mein I got the salt. Actually phenol is there, beta. Phenol converted into sodium phenoxide ion, and on reacting with CO2, particular temperature and pressure, and we got this orthohydroxybenzoic acid called as a salicylic acid. But this is the organic part which one I did here, right? And it took much time to understand, because I should write one by one reaction for you. What is a Williamson synthesis, what is a Remer-Tamer reaction, what is a carbyl-amine reaction, and what is a Kolbe. After writing each and every one, beta, I make you to go with a reaction statement. At last, this is the chart will help you to understand the question. Beta, Williamson's means whenever they ask the Williamson, chalo repeat with me, beta. Williamson is a method to prepare ether. Sir, carbylamine remer is a method used to prepare what, beta? Ortho-hydroxybenzaldehyde. Carbylamine reaction is a method used to prepare what, beta? Phenyl isocyanide. And a Kolbe method is used to prepare what, sir? Ortho-hydroxybenzoic acid called as a salicylic acid. Right, beta? So this is the one more LAQ we did in the class. Right? In my next video, I am going to prepare for you SAQs also. Thank you, beta. Thank you very much. If you like my work and really if you are happy with this one, anything if you want more about that one, please write in the comment box. Definitely, I will improve this video in the question. If somebody wants, sir, please increase the length of the video. I will increase the length. If you want a one video, one question, I will try to do that way. Right? Thank you, beta. Thank you very much. If you like my work, please like it, share it, subscribe it, and please share to more number of children, those who require this video. Thank you. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.